Okay, what up guys? So this is the tutorial on how to use my my tool Xenvious for GTA 5 content creator. Only PC. Gotta tell that every time. Um, um, yeah, this is totally unscripted, so excuse any mistakes or errors with the program since it's not really. I'm not really a object-oriented programmer, so there will be some bugs, I guess. Yeah. So let me just log in real quick. So I guess this tutorial will take some time. I will try to make it maximum 1 hour since it's a lot to explain and stuff like that. But let's get right into it. So let me just enter yeah, just go into last team standing. Okay, so I'm gonna first go over this section right here. I got developer mode already enabled, but there is not really any options, any more options you have in a last team standing, mostly races. So I'm gonna skip developer mode for now. Title, kind of self-explanatory what it is. You just like type in the title right here. There is a bug right now that it takes the last title of the job you were in before and hangs it on this thing. So yeah, as you can see, it's kind of okay. That's a bug I had before, but if I delete that, it should. Wait a second. Yeah, it's wait. Okay, now it works. So I want the title to be this. Okay, I gotta change this as well. Okay, so yeah, that's basically how it works. You can just put in the title. Job type is currently last team standing or capture. Got the option for capture, last team standing, and mission right here. Yeah, you could change it to a capture right now, but that would kind of mess up the job. But yeah, got teams, minimum players, maximum players, and rounds right here. Self-explanatory, I think. Okay, weather. So we got current extraordinary rain already in the game. I think Rockstar added some new ones as well. And with the dev mode, you can access them all, I think. Wait, I don't know if you can access all, but just see what. So okay, you can't choose Halloween. So yeah, Halloween 2 and make it really dark. But if I test this real quick, wait a second. Okay, so now the weather will be Halloween, since I made it to Halloween 2 and really dark. Night would be the green Halloween weather as well. Noon would be like just a bit brighter, like like a bit kind of a bit of a blue pitch. Yeah, sorry for my English. And morning would be the orange sky. Yeah. You can do snow as well. I think it's kind of self-explanatory what all of these options do. Just, yeah, it's snowing. So, radio, not really radio, it's more music type, I think it's called. It's, yeah, music type. In GTA you got these 3, urban, rock and electronic. in here you got some more. I'm not gonna go through all, but I would recommend those last two. Those are really cool. But you can pick Deathline as well. Sorry, Deathline, Deadline. Yeah, but I would recommend this one. That's the coolest one in my opinion. Okay, 3D screen. It's just an option for making your picture of the job nicer. So let me put this to really dark and turn on 3D screen. And as you can see, there will be a blue shader above the game and like kind of a zoom around the edges. You can change the zoom in here, other stuff. I think I'm gonna rename that to settings. Yeah, and then the zoom will go even higher. But this is just for pictures. This won't apply for online for the job. So if you test a job online and got my tool closed and don't have this option enabled, then it's just gonna be normal. And for other players that don't even have the tool, this won't work either. So yeah, that's just for pictures, to make the picture cooler and maybe get more people for the job if they're interested. Yep. So IPU loop is an option to spawn interiors like or IPLs like aircraft carrier, the yacht, and some other stuff. All is a function that will just spawn everything, like everything that's possible that's in the editor scripts, in the creator scripts. Just spawn everything. But I wouldn't recommend using IPU loop for races because it will crash the job. Like the job will not work anymore if you select any of this instead of none. This just use this in missions, captures, or last team standings. Time as well. That's just an option for missions and stuff. Outfits as well, and this one as well. Just ignore those functions right here. The only available stuff for races is these two options. If you have any ideas on what I could implement right here, please tell me. So let's go through these functions real quick. So you got HD vision, mark play zone. I hope all of them work right now. I think skip testing should work. So yeah, as you can see, like both are tested. Even if I place a vehicle, you don't need to test this, but it's just working for missions and last team standings and capture. If I say missions, I mean capture and last team standing and missions. Yeah. So if I test this now, you can see it's kind of another vision, like that's done by HD vision. Mark play zone, as you can see on the map, the play zone is marked yellow. Blackout City. Wait, let me change this to Halloween 2. I'm gonna do this to night, and most of these options should work. If they don't now, then like it's all experimental. So yeah. Blackout City, explode out of area. Yeah, I'm gonna just do those. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it worked. So as you can see, the play zone is marked. Okay, fuck. Why did the test end? I'm gonna test again, and as you can see, I'm gonna do fast. Be fast. The lights are out. That's done by Blackout City. Let me quickly show you how to spawn people in vehicles. Spawn the players in vehicles. I want them to spawn in a tesseract, so I'm just gonna go to the site. You can find this website link, other stuff, vehicles. This is a link for all props and this for weapons. So I want the tesseract, so I copy the int32 code, I will implement a function so that you can just copy the hex code, though this one doesn't matter what you choose then. But for now it's just you gotta choose the integer. So go to basic shit. I want it to for the first team, so respawn vehicle, gonna paste that in there. And let me check spawn in vehicle. So if I test this now, this should spawn me in, yep. Spawn me in the tesseract. Yep. That's basically how that works. Yep. Yeah, I'm not gonna go. Okay, wait, I can explain personal vehicle. Personal vehicle will give you, if you enable this, will give you the option online if you start the job and you're in that kind of team selection or whatever that is, will give you the option to select one of your personal vehicles. So, like, let's say you select the Osiris, then the game will ignore the respawn vehicle that's set here and just spawn you in an Osiris. If you die, then you will get spawned in the vehicle you set right here. I don't think you will respawn in your own vehicle. Let's quickly test top-down view. That should work as well, but it only works if you're in a car. Yeah, I think it only works if you're in a car and you gotta press a button. I don't quite. Yeah, it's R. So if you press R, you will have this top-down view. Okay. Oh fuck. Sorry for my words. As you can see, like the yellow play zone, since I checked explode out of area. Okay. I think the game will crash offline, so I'm not gonna drive out here, since after 3 seconds I will kind of explode or die. And the game will kind of bug out, and I don't want that, so I'm just gonna believe me, online it will work, but offline it's kind of not really working. Yeah, so player settings, select a team, select a player, the location will load in of the first player. I think it's 0 0, I think this one, so that's the location. Right now I don't have it set to anything. Like I got a vehicle placed here, so if I want the player to spawn in this vehicle right here, I would pick one and hit apply, and then it would spawn in this vehicle. But since I set a respawn vehicle and I set spawn in vehicle, it won't work. I'm gonna take that out now. I'm gonna do that as well. Yeah, so now if I hit apply right here, I think it should spawn me in the vehicle. Yeah. So if I let me place a second one, but I'm gonna place the second one with my tool. So that's the vehicle section. I want to place another vehicle right now. So right now I select the first vehicle right here, and you can see it's a dilettante, whatever. Just go to the second, select like let me select an Osiris, change the primary color to 120, that would be chrome, 160 would be some gold, and DRBS is doors, or not really doors, it's options for the car, so settings, and it's working with bits, but I'm not gonna explain how bits or binary works, but each bit is an option. So if I put it to 127, all doors will be open. So if I hit apply, it's gonna add one vehicle to the current vehicles. Wait, but I'm gonna do one thing. I got an option here, this little thing, to get the current location of the cursor. So right now it's here. So if I press this, it will load in the location right here, hit apply, and then the car will spawn here, or the prop, I think. Yeah, I got the option for props, dynamic props, checkpoints, weapons, and actors should have them as well. Yep. So right now, if I test this, you can see, yeah, there's an Osiris. And if I want to spawn in the Osiris, I'm just gonna pick the second car right here for the first player. Oh, that's for the first player. So hit apply, and then I'm gonna spawn in the Osiris. Well, let me quickly test the first one as well. So if I test for the second team as well, and I select the first vehicle, then it spawns me in the first vehicle. So that's basically how it works. Okay, that's, you saw the cargo bob right here. That's kind of weird, but that's basically because bit, again, that's binary as well, is set to -1, and -1 is like 4,200,000,000. I don't really know, and that basically enables all settings. So if I put this to 0 and hit apply, then it should spawn me earlier and spawn me in the car. So, and the cargo bot won't be there anymore. Don't know why that happened. Okay, respawn vehicle health, I think that's self-explanatory. If I put that to 10,000, I think the respawn vehicle would have like 100% more health than before, or like 1000%. Yeah, that's player settings. Beast mode settings, you gotta first enable beast mode for that. Wait, let me don't spawn in a car, and wait. So player health, if I put that to 15,000, life recharge to 100, and jump damage to 1. These are basically percentages. So life recharge will recharge with 100%, and jump damage will just, if you jump, then you will get 1% damage. If you're in beast mode, that only applies if beast mode is enabled. If I hit apply now and test it, yeah, okay, I can't really show you right now because I gotta figure out why the jump isn't working. I had that as well some time ago, that it didn't work, but I think it showed in like something right here that beast mode is enabled. So online it will work, but offline right now it doesn't. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to props. So we got a barrier right here. Let me place that real quick. Yep, so if I want this barrier to be another prop, so let's say a model prop that you don't have in the creator, I'm gonna go to this link or this link. I'm gonna put them in the description. So you can see right here it's UFO. I'm just gonna copy this code right here, paste it at model, hit apply, and then this won't be a barrier anymore, it will be an UFO. So if I test this real quick, it's an UFO. Yeah. So one thing, don't pick up these props. Like if you want to replace it, don't pick them up. They will get, like, I'm gonna show it to you. So right now I picked up the prop, and it's basically gone. Like the prop is still there, it's still placed, but it won't spawn anymore. I don't think it will spawn if I test it. I think you Okay, it spawns, but I don't know if it spawns back in. Okay, it does. So if a prop is gone, just yeah, just test it, untest it, and end the test. I mean, if you want to replace that thing or change the rotation, then you have to do it through my tool, and you just have to like change this to 90 and change the height to 60 and then hit apply, test the job, and as you can see, it's tilted 90 degrees, and it's a bit higher than it was before. So that's basically how modded props work. I'm gonna show you something else real quick. So if I place this prop right here, go to the second prop right here, that's the code for this prop. Render distance, prop color, booster speed, and prop settings. This is prop settings. You don't really need prop settings. So yeah, just ignore that. But render distance is an option to so if you're 1 meter away from the prop, if you set this to 1, the prop will spawn in, like be visible if you're 1 meter in front of the prop. If I change this to 5, it will be 5 meters in front of the prop. 0 will be that the prop always spawns, so it doesn't matter if you're 500 meters or 1 meter away, it will always spawn. So if I change this to 5 right now, hit apply and test the job, then okay, I don't know why it's not. Why does it spawn? It's kind of confusing right now. Sorry. Let me delete this one. I think. Oh wait, it could be that it only works. I think it only works in races. Yeah, I think that was it. That's why it doesn't work. Like put it to 1 should not spawn, but I think it's only for races. Yeah, it's only for races. So I'm gonna show that show that to you in races, in a race. But the other stuff, other settings should work. Like if I replace this thing right here, that's the third prop. So go to the third one here and change the prop color to 0. That would be America. 1 is red, 2 is blue, I think. So just make it 0, hit apply, and pick that up again. It's America. It's the America color. And if I want, like, let's say I have about 200 props and each are, I didn't care about the color if I where I built the job, and all of them are red, for instance, and you want all of them to be America color. I have a section right here to edit all props, and prop color is already 0, so I hit apply, and now all of these props, all of the stun props are in the America color. So we test it. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah. Booster speed is not really necessary for these kind of props, but if I place a booster, where is it? I think right here. Oh, wait, where was it? Oh, I haven't played GTA in a long time. It can't be here, right? Or is it disabled for I think it's disabled for last team standing, wasn't that the case? Or am I just stupid? Because well, I don't think, wait. It doesn't work, okay. So I can't show you booster speed on roll, but I'm gonna do that in races as well. Okay, so dynamic props. Yeah, what do I show to you? Let me just okay, I want it to be like Ferris wheel. And I want, oh wait, no, I'm gonna choose the alien egg. And I want the alien egg to spawn in right in front of the car, or like at the back. So I'm gonna go with the cursor right here. Model, paste in the model. Since you don't know the location of what there is, you're gonna hit this button, it will paste it in. Hit apply and test the job, sorry. Okay, and right here is the alien egg. And since it's a dynamic prop, if I... Okay, don't know why that is not working. I think some props don't move even if they are dynamic, but wait, let me put in... wait, I think that is UFO. If I put in the UFO should work. The UFO should work. So paste that in, test. Yeah. But I'm inside right now, so... Okay. Kind of confused right now why it's not moving, like glitching out. But normally it does work. Yeah. Okay. But I think I'm gonna delete that. Okay, so that's dynamic props. Works the same as props vehicles as well. And I already kind of showed that to you. So I'm just gonna show mark vehicle and vehicle god mode. If I hit apply, that I did that for the Osiris right now, so the second vehicle. And if I test this, wait, I think I have grenades. Yeah, see, it's marked on the map, like this blue dot right here. Oh, sorry for my language, but I hate it when those players kill each other. Okay, so throw some grenades right here. The vehicle has about 20,000 HP, so it will get kind of hard for the enemy players to destroy that vehicle. Yeah. Okay. So we got vehicles, weapons. So let's place a weapon right here, a pistol. Okay. So it's a pickup weapon pistol. Like if you place weapons, it's always pickup underscore weapon. If you place a vehicle weapon, so wait, where is it? I don't think. No, I don't got specials right here. Oh wait, where? I don't remember where it was. Okay, but if I want to change, let's pick a what do we pick? A stun gun. Stun gun. Hit apply, and if I test this, then there will be a stun gun. So I got the stun gun, and yeah, that's basically how it works. I think railgun works as well, but I don't think that will spawn online though. Yeah, but that's basically how you do it. Yeah, okay, so actors can't really show you. Oh wait, because I'm in the last team standing, it doesn't really work. But just gonna change it to a capture, and then I can select actors. So I'm gonna place a cop right here. So that's the model location. Heading is the location where the model is looking. If I make that to 0, for instance, it will look in the exact other direction. At least it should. So if I pick that up and delete it, wait, where did it go? Where did he go? Okay. Kind of confused. Okay, there he is again. I think it doesn't. Okay, let me just go into capture, because I wouldn't recommend doing what I did right now, changing in last team standing to a capture. That's just kind of bugs out your job. So I'm just gonna showcase it to you in a capture, in a recapture. So if I place this cop right here, it's right now it's looking. I think it should be 0 because I changed that last time. Yeah, heading is 0. If I make it to 180, then it will look right here. So right in the exact other direction. Why does it always disappear? Confused. By the way, as you can see, there's these options. That's because I have dev mode enabled, but you can't really set anything right here. If I try to change it, it will just switch through the things. Okay. So if I test this, yeah, it doesn't spawn again. What is this weather though? I think I got. Oh my god. My god, what the fuck? Sorry for my language. Like in Germany, we don't really care. I think that's because HD vision. Okay, never mind. So now the actor should be back. Yeah, okay. So, what can I showcase to you? Idle action, just this stuff that he does when he's in idle mode. Shoot photos. Respawn unlimited, accuracy high. He's a berserker, hostile, yep. Health, I'm gonna do to 7. Actor weapon doesn't really work right now. Apply. Okay, one thing I'm gonna showcase is go-to points. So you can set points where the actor should go. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell the actor to go. Wait, where should he go? He should go right here. So I'm just gonna place a prop right there. Get the location. Oh wait, no, I'm not gonna place a prop, but I need the location. I'm gonna make a like this button as well. This is for location right now. So then he should go back to his first point, and then I'm just gonna write some like 35 minus 750, and the height will be the same. Oh wait, yeah. And if I hit apply now, as you can see, those red lines appear. So he first will go to this point, then go back to his starting point, and then go here. So wait, custom go to size, this should work, but nah, it doesn't. Okay, gonna change something there. So if I test this now, oh wait, okay, I'm kind of confused why the actor doesn't spawn. We'll look into that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, but if I fix that thing, then the actor will basically go here, go back to the second point, and then go to the third point. You can even set the vehicle the actor should spawn in, like set it to 1, and but since I haven't placed the vehicle right now. Okay, now it works. Maybe because I didn't have a vehicle set. Could be the case. But since I haven't since I didn't place the vehicle, now it should work. But I don't think the actor will spawn in the vehicle. Nah, he doesn't. He doesn't spawn. So I'm gonna delete that vehicle. Oh wait. That is because but he doesn't spawn. That's a bug I discovered. So let me test this real quick. Let me delete this vehicle, see what happens. But I don't think it will spawn. No. Okay. Wait, does this work now? Yeah. Okay. So that would be actors. Zones, I don't really want to go deep into that because there's a lot to explain, but basically you have these zones right here. Okay, let's just so place this zone, and if I ZNTP is the zone type, so if I change this to 1, I think it's, I don't know what kind of zones. Let's see if it automatically changes. Yeah, okay. So 2, it's random vehicles. 3, contact. 4 would be that again. 5. So yeah, that's the zone types. That's the location, starting location, end location. I don't really know what these options do. I think Z and del is zone delete. So if you put in 3000 or something like that, the zone will delete itself after 30 seconds or 3 seconds in that case. ZNBS, don't quite remember what that is. Those options I would leave empty, kind of not working. I mean, they are working, but not in, like, only in missions, and we are not able to create missions, so that's why some of these options don't even work. Like, change the value, it doesn't do anything. So, okay, since we are done with that, let's just go into arrays. So, land race automatically changes arrays and land race. So, yeah. Just place this one and this. Okay, so I place this prop right here. So okay, now I will go into the render distance thing. If I change this to, let's say, 5, the prop will start getting shown, like spawn in, if you're 5 meters in front of it. So if I test this now, I'm too far away, so it won't spawn in. If I drive closer to it, it will spawn in eventually. Yeah. So, but it's 5 meters away from the core of the prop, so the center. So that would be here in the middle, like here. That's why it spawns so late. But yeah, if I do it to 1, it will basically, like, if you're really in front of the prop, then it will see, the prop is right here, but it doesn't really spawn in. Yeah. So that's really cool for automatic stunts or troll maps, but yeah. Now I can show booster speed as well, but I think you already know what it will do. Okay, there the booster is. So if I make this to maximum, then booster speed will be 5. If I change this to 4, pick that up again, then it's not extreme, it's only really strong. 3 would be medium, I think. No, it's still strong. Okay. Yeah. So drop color, can't really do anything for that. Render distance. Oh, that. Wait, let me test that real quick. Okay. So wait, let me place it like in here, and if I make that to 1, hit apply, test it. Oh, okay. I know why that happened. Since the program only reloads the data that was put in here, if you change this index, that's why it had the last location when the prop was here. And if I hit apply, it will apply the location again. So yeah. So my cursor is right here. If I press, and I want the prop to be here, I press this button, it will write location in here, hit apply, and now the prop will be there. Yeah. I think the other prop is there now. Yeah, I selected the wrong one. So let me delete that real quick. What is happening right here? Okay. Let me just place it right here. Okay, render distance is set to 1, so don't know if it will spawn in. No. Yeah, okay, it kind of spawned if when I was right in the middle, but yeah. So yeah, that's render distance. These two options only work if you scan for model props. Like you have the if you select this, it will it will scan for it if when the program starts. But this is gonna take a long time. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, scan for it, and then I will come back. So hit rescan and then don't interact with the program. It will just like bug out and not respond, and this message will appear that it's not responding. So just let it work. I'm gonna skip this part now, or just wait and speed up a bit. Okay, so it's done now. W- it could have worked, could have not worked, because it scans for 4 sections of the memory, because each creator, like race creator, capture creator, mission creator, last team standing creator, and deathmatch creator, each have different areas in the memory for their props. So like think of it like this. Okay, I got 5 tabs right here. So the first tab is for the mission creator, and right here it tells you what props are in the mission creator, like what is available. And right here it's the section for the race creator, and right here are the props for the race creator, what's available and what's not. And so I have to scan for each memory, like scan if you were in one of those creators, and then search for the code. If it finds it, then it will work for that section. So that's kind of, I can't really go around that. Maybe it works now. I don't know. So like for ℓykye color, if I go, okay, it did work. So you can see it's red for a second, and then it switches automatically switches to the ℓykye color. So that worked. Yeah. Modded props. I hope that worked. It's nice to showcase. So if you check that, then the first section of the barrier section. Yeah, okay, it worked. Nice. So as you can see, we are in the barrier section right now, and all the props are replaced with modded props. So, but props I selected, it's coded, hard coded in the program, so you can't really change it. But you will have an option to do place some of your own mod props, like with that feature right here. Just putting in the model, but to really use the modded props and change the rotation and stuff like that, you can't really do that with just that. Like it's more precise with this. So it's just the whole section is basically just filled with some modded props. We got the windmill right here. Military plane. This thing. Yep. That's the UFO. Yeah, just modded props. Like nothing more to explain. Yep. Okay, what's that? The fuck? Minecraft? What is going on? What the fuck? What is this? What is happening? Wait, I want to see how that looks. What the fuck? Sorry for my language again. Like, I think we are in Minecraft right now. What is happening? Rockstar, what are you doing? I think that would be a burning building like the windows, but those graphics are so good. Oh my god. Not. Okay. Yeah. As you can see, some really nice and really necessary modded props are in there. But that would be cool for thumbnails as well, right? Like, just have something burning right here. That's a nice thumbnail. Okay, no, it's not. Looks kind of cool, like. Yeah, okay. Okay. So sorry for that. Just kind of confused what that was. Okay, so I got an option here. More modded props. If you enable this and let's say you want what do we want? Car wash. Okay, let's just take that. So you copy a code of a modded prop, paste that in here, make a comma, and then paste in the next prop. So you gotta separate each prop you want with a comma. So I think the maximum you can do is, I think 10 or 9, because the prop section, I think it's replacing the ℓyts. So if I hit apply now, it should have worked. Okay, it didn't work, but I think it worked in another category. I think I didn't really implement that. So yeah, we're gonna see. Yeah, but normally it should replace the ℓyt category, and since it's only 9 props in here, only 9 will work here. So yeah, basically done with props. We got dynamic props, we got vehicles, checkpoints. So we got the selection of primary and secondary right here, and select the first checkpoint. Wait, I'm gonna select the second checkpoint. It's a normal checkpoint right now. So the size is basically just the size. If I put it to 3, I think the radius, like if it's 1, if it's normal, then you drive through the checkpoint and collect it like right here. If you put it to 3, you will collect the checkpoint if you're like right here. So that's just the size of the collection. I don't know how to tell you that. I think you got what I mean. Checkpoint type is right now it's normal. It's a normal checkpoint. If I want to make it a warp checkpoint, I'm just gonna select warp, hit apply, and okay, it's a kind of big warp checkpoint. Wait, let me place another one right here. Wait, let me make it normal again, and like this, and warp. So if I drive through that warp checkpoint, yeah, okay. Since I made the sciae 3, it already collected the checkpoint, and instantly teleported me to the next checkpoint. So yeah, but wait, let me change that up a bit. Pick that up, and if I place this right here, I first gotta drive into that checkpoint. Yeah, so that's the size is really big. Like if you put it to 1, it will be, I think, a bit better. Oh, okay, and even the size changed itself of the thing. So yeah, that's basically a warp checkpoint. Warp and transform. That should work as well if I'm make it. Wait, it's a transform race, like the second transform vehicle. Wait, why did it change? Okay, it's kind of not working. Wait, change it to yeah. Okay. Don't know why that is not working. Is that working? No, it's not. Okay. Wait. Okay. Yeah, so I can't really show you the transform vehicle stuff right now, but yeah, that's I don't think I need to explain that. It's just, yeah. So change that to a warp checkpoint. Respawn points is just the points of the cars, where the cars are, when you respawn. Wait, let me pick that up. So if I pick this up, you can see the first car, second car, and the third car. So respawn 1 will be this car, respawn 2 this car, respawn 3 this car. So I could change them now. Let me change it. I don't know if that will work, but let me change this to -50. Apply, and if why can't I test this? Okay, I gotta place a. Oh, I forgot to show you one thing in the prop section. We'll do that. So I gotta place this. Now I can test it. Okay. So let me collect the warp checkpoint right now. Okay. Okay. As you can see, it already like respawned me to like spawned me in the location I set. So normally if I respawn here, it should respawn me right here. But if I respawn now, it respawns me like in the location I set for it to respawn. So yeah. Okay, props, I forgot that. So if I go into props right now, it's right now it's targets, I think targets it's called. And I can switch through here. Like now I'm at the barrier section. Okay. If I go right here, I got special prop categories. That's special targets, drugs, gun running, and landing places. And if I select special, for instance, it will change the section to the special hidden section. So we got some model props in here. Yeah. Yeah. What is this? Is that a railgun? Yes, it is. Okay. Oh wait. I gotta be in this section, targets. So drugs, gun running, and landing places. So you can basically just change to some categories you normally don't have in, for instance, capture or stuff like that. But I think you have each of those categories, you have all of them instead if you have developer enabled, but I don't think you have the special category. I mean, you just could place a special prop, pick that up, and you're in the special category, but yeah, it's like a bit easier this way. Okay, so we got that out of the way. Is there more to show? I don't know. What the fuck? No, I think we're done here. If you have any questions, just ask them below. I'm gonna put some of those links in the description. Yeah, and if you want to buy this tool, just contact me on my Discord. I'm gonna put a invite link in the description as well. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I think it was an hour. Not really sure how long it was. Don't have a timer right here. Yeah, thank you for watching and have fun with modding.